This is a question from Alex. What if meteors rain down on Earth continuously for an entire year? Let's imagine a sky filled with falling rocks, big and small, every single day.
First, let's get a sense of scale. Even a small meteor, the size of a car, hitting Earth releases as much energy as a ton of TNT. Now imagine thousands, maybe millions of such impacts happening all over the planet nonstop.
The very first effect would be immediate destruction. Cities, forests, and infrastructure would be pummeled constantly. Every day, neighborhoods could vanish, highways would be craters, and airports might be unrecognizable.
Then there's the atmosphere. Each impact generates heat, shock waves, and dust. With meteors raining down for a year, Earth's atmosphere would fill with smoke and debris, reducing sunlight and lowering global temperatures. This is like a continuous, year-long volcanic winter. Agriculture would collapse. Crops need sunlight and stable conditions to grow. With meteors raining down and the sky darkened by dust, food shortages would quickly become severe worldwide.
Next, consider the oceans. Some meteors would land in the sea, creating massive tsunamis.
Every coastline could face repeated waves hundreds of meters high, devastating coastal cities and reshaping shorelines permanently.
Animals would struggle to survive. Many species couldn't handle the constant chaos. Birds, fish, and mammals would be killed directly by impacts or indirectly by habitat destruction and lack of food. Mass extinctions could happen within months.
Humans would face similar challenges. Surviving in bunkers or underground might be the only option. Even then, maintaining water, electricity, and food for long periods would be almost impossible on a global scale.
Then there's the sky itself. Every night, Earth would be lit by fiery streaks from meteors burning up in the atmosphere. Daytime wouldn't be much better. The constant explosions and fireballs would create a surreal, terrifying landscape.
Infrastructure would fail catastrophically. Power grids would be hit by EMP-like effects from meteor impacts and lightning from firestorms. Air travel would be impossible. Satellites might be destroyed, and communications could collapse.
And think about the long-term geological impact. The surface of Earth would be scarred with craters, mountains could be flattened, and deserts could form where fertile land once was. Entire continents might be reshaped over the course of the year.
But let's talk numbers. Even a modest-sized meteor, 50 meters wide, hitting once a day, could release more energy than the largest nuclear bombs ever tested. Now, multiply that by hundreds, thousands, or tens of thousands every day. It's a planet under constant bombardment, with no safe place left.
After a year, Earth would look almost unrecognizable. The sky would remain hazy. Ecosystems would be destroyed, and the population of humans and animals would be drastically reduced. Civilization as we know it might be completely gone.
Of course, this scenario is extreme, but it highlights how fragile life on Earth is. A continuous meteor shower isn't just a spectacular light show. It's a force that could reshape the planet, wipe out species, and change history in an instant.
So next time you see a shooting star, remember, one is beautiful and harmless, but a constant rain of them for a year? That's a completely different world, a planet transformed by fire, rock, and chaos.